Hello and welcome to another video, and today we have another car which we are doing the inside. So what I'll do, I'll swap over to the other camera so you can kind of see, and we're doing a full detail on the inside, so let's have a look and see what we're dealing with. Okay, so we are dealing with a Vauxhall Mokka. This belongs to, would you believe it, my manager, where I work full time. And he says, yeah, I want a full detail on his car. And it's not like the worst condition, not like obviously mine. So let's move the seat back so we can see what we are dealing with. He owned a dog. So there's like dog hair all over the place. There's like bottles, there's just like bits of paper all over the place. So there's bottles over there. He's got an air freshener in the car as well. It's all keeping hydrated. He has Advent calendars. Hope that's for me. The seats aren't in bad nick. They just need a good hoover, and we'll see how they turn up. I won't show you the boot because he says there's something in there which is confidential, so I can't go in there and show you on camera, but it's not that bad in there. And again on the back part, more bottles. It's not like dirty, it's just well, as you can see, all the dog hair in the back more than anything. So it's one of them where we are going to be going in here, taking everything all out, to show you on here, and then we'll get in, move the air freshener. So the dashboard, it's dirty. Again, same as mine. I'm sure all cars have this on there, and then center console, a bit dirty. Obviously we'll get my detail brush. Get in there. I'm not going to open that because I don't know what's in there. Just don't want to show on the camera. And then we'll get rid of all this, tidy it all up. He's got a load of air fresheners on the side. So what we'll do is we will remove all this, and we'll see what we can do, and then clean up on there. Make sure everything is all clean and tidy and sparkly as well. So what we'll do is I forgot to bring my tripod because I'm not in my car. I forgot to bring it. So what we're going to do is we'll go do step one, literally taking all the stuff out of the car, and then we are going to show what's going on, see how bad it is, and then what we'll do is then we'll vacuum, we'll see how that goes, then we'll polish it, see how that goes, and we'll do it in stages like that, so you can kind of see the transformation as we go. I've got another car next week which I'll be doing, so I'll remember to bring my tripod so we can see what we can do. He's also asked me if I can to do his wheels, because they are, well, they're not meant to be that colour. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and clean them up. I might just give them a bit of once going over with the jet wash, because I need to move it, so I can take that out, and we can do that. So we'll go over here, and that's the other tyre. So we'll close this up, we'll continue with the video. At this moment in time, because obviously I can do this is the plan. I might try and do this. This is the space that I have to kind of work with. So what I can do is I can literally take this tree out, move the pots, move the bins, move all that out, and I can then park the car on here. And then I can do my detailing and stuff like that and wash the car, because obviously on the road there's not much room, and obviously there's passing traffic, which there's not much traffic, but it's a case of I just don't want risking people bumping into the cars. That's why it's on the driveway, and there's not much room down the side on either side, so when I park the car here, I can't really do much. And obviously we were thinking of doing it at the back behind the gates, but again it's just a case of what we can do, because I want a canopy over, so when it's raining, because like the last few times when I was doing my car, it wasn't very well. So what we'll do is we will continue what we were doing for this car, and we'll go from there. So let's crack on with this. It's just looking absolutely fantastic. Now, because of the like dog and the dog hair, I will recommend getting the carpet cleaner out on this, because the carpets are dirty. So it's just one of them where we are looking to kind of do the boots looking good. Again, the back is looking good. Like, this is a very nice tool to get like dog hair out, but I'm looking to get my other tool, which is coming in a sec, just to get the dog hair fully out. And yeah, it's all looking good in here. Let's move the seat back. Oh, there we go. And it's looking very good. Like, yeah, it's just dirt in here. That's going to be all cleaned up, and it's all looking very good. So what we'll do is we'll continue with the clean, and we'll come back at the final product. Okay, so we have now finished for the day, and luckily enough it's not raining. So what we're going to do is, again, we're going to just leave the boot. The boot is fine. Let's have a quick look. There you go, all good and dandy. Let's start with the passenger side, and look at that. How good does that look? It's all nice and shiny. The doors look black. And what I'm going to do in the carpets, I'm going to say that you do need to have these washed, because there is like really like deep dirt down in the carpets which need to be brought up, and it's looking rather good. And into the proper core of how nice this looks into the side of that. No dust, no fibers, no nothing at all. Nice and shiny, and it's just one of them things. Even the back, again, with the dog having really like short hair, and it's just getting like dug down into the fibers, and it's really hard. Like, down in there, that was all full of fibers. And if he continues getting his car done, it will just look better and better, because obviously the more times you do it, the more stuff that you actually get out. And look at that. Like, this is going to be the driver's side, where the most use is getting out, especially on the carpets, because even though the carpet is clean, it's just dirty, just because, like, if you're playing football, going out walking, you're picking all the mud up and stuff like that, and it's just getting embedded into the carpet, and it's just looking so good in here. And it's just one of them where I'm gonna drop this off now for him. He's in work, I was off today, so it just made perfect sense for me to do. Now, I am going to say that his car needs a good valet, proper detailing, because just up on the top here there's like grime, which I want to try and get off for him, stuff like that. Just the outside just needs a really good going over, stuff like that, and I want to try and do that for him. Obviously, that's if he wants me. I did clean the wheels, just gave them a quick jet wash, just so they look a bit cleaner. They're not full clean, but they look better than they already were. And yeah, I'm really happy of how this has turned out. Obviously I wanted it to go a bit further, but it's one of them where obviously time is money, and it's just one of them where I kind of go, right, okay, I can't go any further than I already have, and obviously next time I can go over other things which I've gone over and stuff like that, which will pick up a lot better in the next time pass when he gets his carpets cleaned. So that is the end. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully that you did enjoy, and also my other videos on the channel. And yeah, I will try and plan out an area here. I will mostly do a video what we can maybe do, a few ideas. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, press the like button, make a comment of what you think of the inside. So on that note, guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.